Emily, the Chief Production Officer here at E.C.D Automotive Design, and today we're going to take a look at the quality process in our build facility here in Kissimmee, Florida. I'm going to hand you over to Josh, who is our Head of Quality. He's going to take you through the facility to have a look at every checkpoint he implements with our build team here at headquarters.
Hi, my name is Josh Van Zitten with E.C.D Automotive Design. I'm the head of quality here. I want to run through kind of our process that we do. We kind of have a no office mentality for the head of quality, which is basically I'm on the shop floor every single day with our technicians, working through issues and coming up with solutions on a daily basis. So our owners have asked me to build the relationships with our technicians, so that's what I've done. At the heart of quality is, it depends on so many different factors, and one of the big factors that we've seen here at E.C.D is basically the vendors that we work with. I was on the phone earlier today with one of our vendors working through an issue, so we will start with, if we see a problem that's over one time, we'll address it. We'll come beside our vendor and work with them to come up with a solution together. A lot of times it's working with them to bring their quality control process up so we don't see any failures or issues. And then if it's something on our side where how we're installing the part or whatever, then we'll deal with that. So building that vendor quality in their product is something that we do with E.C.D. One of the other aspects of my job, coming alongside the technicians in each department, all the way from cosmetics to teardown to drivetrain, and work with our technicians on what they need to exceed our customers' expectations. So we build quality throughout the phases, and every phase, every department, every lead, every technician, every supervisor is responsible for their own quality. So I am walking along all of our production lines, making sure that is happening on a daily basis. On all my inspections that I do, I'm inspecting the vehicle to find any issues, but also I don't stop there. I go to try to find the solution, work with the technician to find out what's the solution to the issue. One of the other aspects that we've brought into play at E.C.D that's unique and different is we've brought together the RFT, which stands for Right First Time. So basically, all of our technicians are basically graded on their task list. So they all have tasks that need to be completed in each phase. On each build, we then calculate a percentage of how they did. If they receive an RFT award, it means that they did everything we asked and exceeded that. So it means they got 100%. So it's basically an award that they get at the end of the month. It's a big deal for them to grow in the business. So they can continue every build, get an RFT. So I audit that at the end of each build through my inspections to see which department and then which actually technician got RFT awards. And then at the end of the month, we all come together and give those awards out to our technicians and our departments. So it's a pretty cool process for the employees that work here. At E.C.D, quality isn't an afterthought. So it's built into every phase of the build. So all the way from phase 0, we call it, all the way to phase 4, which basically drives off the assembly line. We're proud of the vehicles that we build, and we're constantly changing to bring that expectation. We know what our clients' expectations are, and we want to exceed them every step of the way, from the design process to the build process to warranty department. We constantly want to exceed our own expectations and our customers' expectations. So we're proud of the employees that we have here. They're the world's best, and we constantly want to challenge them to be better every single day. And that's the E.C.D mindset here, the right first time mindset, constant improvement at every stage.